Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. So I am still in Myrtle Beach. We haven't left yet, and yesterday was my grandma's funeral, and so we will be leaving later on today, and I'll be home on Tuesday. So just really short. I do hope you have your coffee. I haven't had coffee yet, so I'm having a coffeeless Monday morning right now. We're going down to the hotel lobby for breakfast soon, but I got my iced tea. That's caffeine for right now. So I hope you all had a good weekend. Obviously, my weekend was mixed blessing. My grandma was 93 years old, and she's lived a long life. And really, her funeral was a celebration of her life, and it was nice. But so this week I have for you a Dollar Tree Tuesday tomorrow, and I actually hopefully will have the video that I had planned to have last week, but I found out my grandma passed away on Thursday night, and so I really didn't get to do anything new. I was making plans and running around and trying to figure out how we were going to get, to her funeral and stuff. But I do have some videos for you this week. I have a Dollar Tree Tuesday video, and inside that Dollar Tree Tuesday haul, there's also a little DIY project. Now, I was going to do this as a tutorial, and I thought I had duplicate of it, and I didn't have duplicate of it. So anyway, but it's going to be inside the haul, my little project share. And then on Wednesday and Thursday, I'm not really sure which videos will be coming out on Wednesday and Thursday. But Thursday night we will have Thursday Night Live at 7:15, and I will be doing a little share of what my journal looks like now, and also we're going to be doing maybe a little art canvas or an art journal page. I'm not sure yet. I may put up a little poll and see what you guys would like to see. And so I don't have a ton of videos coming out this week, but like I said, I do have that one video coming out of some Happy Mail hauls that I have, and the Dollar Tree video with the project share, and my club videos didn't come out last week. That will come out this week for sure, probably on Friday. So it's really short Monday morning coffee, and but we just want to get finished up here and do a couple of things, and then we'll be headed home. Long drive ahead of us. Keep us in your thoughts and prayers. And I will see y'all on Tuesday for a Dollar Tree Tuesday haul, and maybe Tuesday with my little Happy Meal haul, or either Wednesday. But I'll be back in town tomorrow. Well, later on today, but I'll be back in town for our daily devotion on Tuesday morning. All right, guys, have a great week. Have fun crafting. I hope you'll come back and check out my channel and see the videos that I do put up. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that by hitting that subscribe button down there. And don't forget to tap the bell. And when that menu comes down, I hope you'll tap all videos so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. All right, thank you guys so much for watching and all your support. I love you, and I will see you all soon. Bye.